I'm a digital marketing strategist. If you're looking for ways to grow your Instagram account organically, then well-researched hashtags accompanied by a proper hashtag strategy can be a massive help. My team and I have performed over 7,000 of research projects for both personal and business accounts, so we would be happy to help you to amplify your growth too. One thing you should know is that the performance of hashtags depends a lot on the overall performance of your account. Should you opt for the standard or the premium packages, we will provide you with a step-by-step growth strategy to build a highly performing profile, as it covers everything from the best posting time, engaging content creation, to tips for boosting your engagement rate and other crucial points. What sets us apart from others are the custom-built tools and solutions we provide for you. For instance, our hashtag dashboard, which provides advanced analytics for each of the hand-picked hashtags that reflect their current performance indicators. Apart from that, your dashboard allows you to copy the sets of hashtags straight to your posts absolutely hassle-free. So if you're ready to take your Instagram game to the next level, feel free to place an order or drop me a message, and I'll be happy to answer your questions.